Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. A greeting of peace and a very good morning. In conjunction with the event today, I would like to touch on three major issues that concerns us, especially at the International Islamic University Malaysia. This is a university that was established in 1983 that looks forward to the future and try to make meaning of what the future is for us. In conjunction with today's event, there are three things that has been happening in this university that promotes the future as far as the university is concerned. We have been, in the last 1 year, preparing ourselves into a new paradigm of what university looks like and what education looks like given the 21st century. It is called Sejahtera Academic Framework. The word Sejahtera is a colloquial word that means peace, that means harmony, that means balance, that also means sustainability, a kind of the future that all of us wishes to see in the moment to come. And therefore, this Sejahtera Academic Framework lay out what the university needs to do moving forward in changing the paradigm of the education in Malaysia, if not worldwide. We are quite concerned of what has been happening in the last few months given the coronavirus pandemic, and therefore would want to make adjustment as to how we can accommodate the new challenges of the future so that education continues to be relevant not only for this moment but also for the time to come. And therefore this framework that we are working on today becomes a kind of a mission for us to define what the future is like as far as the International Islamic University Malaysia is concerned. The framework will serve to be a platform for discussion of what the new generation would want to see in the world that they want to create for themselves. What are the things that we can learn in the past that is no longer considered relevant as far as education is concerned? There are a number of things that we have identified. One of it that comes in very strongly is a question of the orientation of education itself. We believe education today is what I call weird in the context of it is westernized, Western-centric, it is economic-centric, it is industrial-led, it is reputational obsessed, and hence at the end of the day, it becomes a dehumanizing exercise for many of us. The coronavirus pandemic makes this very clear to us, and therefore it becomes incumbent upon us to look at new paradigm, to change what has been happening before so that we can have a better and a brighter future moving forward. Therefore, the Sejahtera Academic Framework becomes a thinking piece for us. This university will involve itself with discussion with members of the staff, students, and indeed the community around us, hopefully also a global community that is now here within our ambit in this particular event. Now from this, we are beginning to look at what the coronavirus has done to many of us all over the world in the context of education. And therefore, we want to look at the coronavirus paradigm, as it were, and how these changes could affect not only this country, but also humanity as a whole. We have got what we call a model of 3M, moving from manpower, mind, and machines in the context of high-tech to what we call the 3H, into humanity, heart, and also high-touch. This shift is a very valuable shift for us because it brings in new values of how we need to deal with the future given the pandemic that is affecting all of us. As far as you are concerned, the values of sympathy, for example, the values of empathy, and the values of compassion is nowhere to be found in our curriculum, in our education system as such, be it systematically or be it just periodically as such. And therefore, it becomes important for us to focus on values of this nature so that education can also be seen as a kind of a globalizing factor that brings people based on values that all of us can share. And therefore, social solidarity, social bonding could be enhanced. And here's one of the ways that all of us agree how to fight against the coronavirus moving forward. Until and unless we can act as humanity, until and unless we can agree on what is it that we can do together, there will be very little chance for us to win this war against the coronavirus. And therefore, education must be the platform for us to build this kind of a rapport within the context of education, just as much as sustainable development has been used in this particular context. And I would like then to urge all of us to look at this event as an event where we can all together agree on the things that we need to do so that the futures can be well defined for us, so that education can take its place where it connects all the dots within not only our country and our community, but all over the world. We need to save humanity. We need to live as a group of people who understands what the survival of humanity is all about. We need to also save our environment and also make sure that the future generation has a rightful place as far as education is concerned and as far as the future is concerned. So on that note, let me thank you once again for your attention, and I hope this small piece of ours will create some interest so that we can go on discussing as what we need to do moving forward. I know the challenges are well defined ahead. It is daunting for us, but we have no choice but to face it squarely. And the more we can do this in a solidarity form, the better it is for us. So on that note, I wish you well, and I hope we can meet again at other times and other places, face to face. And for now, this is the only way for us to get our thoughts together so that we can have a peaceful future ahead. Wabillahi taufiq wa hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh, and a greeting of peace to all of you.